Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account on Wise. And if you don't have an account yet, please click on the link in my description where you can create yourselves an account. Then after that, if you did the verify and all these steps, then after that you will come right here in this home tab where you will find right here finish setup. Then what we're going to do is we click right here get link by mail or scan QR code. I recommend you to do right here scan QR code, and then you need to use your phone right here. So we scan this QR code right here, and then he will send us right here to Google Chrome to this page. So if you can see, I have exactly the same that I had on my PC but now on my phone. Then I select right here the upper green one from yes, continue, and then you will get this option. If I'm be honest, you will see exactly what I will see right here on PC. So we click right here, finish verify, then we go to our mail, verify ID, and then you will get this screen. Then we do yes, continue, and this is exactly what you will see on your phone. Select right here how you want to verify, so passport or national ID, and then after that, do the verification on your phone by just scanning your ID with your phone. Then after that, you need to record a video of yourself with your phone too. Send that in, and then after that, you verified your Wise account. It's also important to make sure that you filled in your phone number, because that is also a verification step that you did in the beginning of creating a Wise account. Then after that, you verified your account, you're ready to go, and this is how you can verify your account on Wise. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.